In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products from any website to WooCommerce. Whether you're setting up a new online store or expanding your product catalog, knowing how to efficiently import products can save you hours of manual work. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have the tools you need to quickly transfer product information like titles, descriptions, prices, and even images directly into your WooCommerce store. This process is straightforward and beginner-friendly, so don't worry if you're not a tech expert. Let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll need is a product feed from the website or supplier you're importing products from. This is usually a CSV file or an XML file that contains all the product details, like names, prices, descriptions, and images. If you're unsure how to get this, reach out to your supplier or check their website for options to export this data. Once you have the file or the URL for the product feed, you're ready to move forward. Next, log into your WordPress dashboard. This is where all the magic happens. Once you're in, look at the left-hand menu and navigate to the plugin section. Click on Add New. This is where you'll install the tool that makes importing products super simple. In the search bar at the top right, type WP All Import. This is the plugin we'll be using today. It's a powerful and user-friendly tool designed specifically for tasks like this. Once you see it in the search results, click on the Install Now button. The installation will only take a few moments. When it's done, click Activate to enable the plugin. Now that the plugin is active, head over to the Tools section in your WordPress dashboard. You'll find this in the left-hand menu. Click on Import. Once the page loads, select the option that says WooCommerce Products Import. This is the specific feature we'll use to bring your product feed into WooCommerce. On the next screen, you'll be prompted to upload your product feed. If you have a CSV file, you can upload it directly. If you're working with an XML feed URL provided by your supplier, you can paste that URL instead. Once you've done this, click Continue to Step 2. In this step, you'll be asked to choose the content type you're importing. Select WooCommerce products from the list. This tells the plugin that you're importing products specifically for your WooCommerce store. Now comes the fun part, mapping fields. Using the drag and drop interface, you'll match the columns in your product feed to the corresponding fields in WooCommerce. For example, drag the product title from your feed into the title box, drag the description to the description area, map the regular price to the regular price field, the SKU to the SKU field, and image URLs to the product image section. If your feed contains additional fields like categories, stock status, attributes, or variations, you can map those as well. Take your time here and make sure everything lines up correctly. Once you're confident that all fields are mapped accurately, double-check your work. This step is crucial to avoid errors later. When you're ready, click Continue. The next step is to select a unique identifier, such as the SKU. This helps WooCommerce recognize each product and prevents duplicates if you need to import updates in the future. After selecting your identifier, click Confirm and run import. At this point, the plugin will process your file and start importing the products into WooCommerce. Depending on the size of your file, this may take a few moments. Be patient and let the tool do its job. Once the import is complete, go to the Products section in your WooCommerce dashboard. This is where you'll see all the products you just imported. Take a few minutes to review them, make sure the images are loading correctly, prices are accurate, and descriptions are properly formatted. If you notice any issues, now is the time to make adjustments or corrections. And that's it. You've successfully imported products into WooCommerce. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.